Nilqawkom għal Maltarti, il-programm ta' attwalità fl-arti u l-kultura. Calleja żeffiena żagħżugħa mħarrġa fil-ballet klassiku u fiż-żfin Spanjol u kontemporanju. It-tim tagħna ltaqa' ma' Pearl li qasmet magħna l-esperjenza ta' taħriġ fiż-żfinMalta, il-kumpanija nazzjonali ta' żfin.
I applied for the apprenticeship in May through a video that I sent to ZfinMalta. From this video, they chose a selected number of candidates to be invited into the studios, where we learned a number of repertoire from ZfinMalta's company dances. Then we showed them to the panel of judges. That was the first day. The second day, we went into more work from the company. I was selected as the apprentice for this upcoming season. After I was selected, I started joining the company for company class in the morning.
So you're opening up, you're still moving in space, and the other person
where I was preparing for the upcoming season, and as of mid-August, I joined the company as an apprentice for the season, and we started rehearsing every day for the works we have coming up. So the training is both mental and physical. There's the physical side where we start every day at 10 o'clock with a warm-up. It's either a classical warm-up, a yoga, or something strengthening. Then we move into rehearsal. There's the mental part where I have my mentors who help me focus on what I need to learn, how I should approach the material every day.
Find a partner, and we're just going to walk into a dialogue, yeah? So see where the partner is going, respond to that. So rotation, trajectory, and see where that leads you. When that is finished, find another one.
From when I was very little, I've always wanted to dance. I feel that I've been training myself day in, day out.
Make sure you open up the conversation out
And
there.
this experience, this apprenticeship of this year, this season, I feel will help me grow a lot. It is already helping me grow and strengthening me in ways that I thought I could never be strengthened. Yes, I hope that this apprenticeship is a platform for me to further my studies and my professional dance career. One of my goals is to join ZfinMalta as a full-time company dancer. And then further on, throughout my life, eventually join other companies all around the world.